Welcome to the MongoDB Aggregation Framework Basics. In this video, we'll explore MongoDB's powerful data processing pipeline. The Aggregation Framework lets you transform and analyze your data efficiently, right within your MongoDB database. So, what exactly is the Aggregation Framework? It's a powerful tool within MongoDB that allows you to perform various data processing operations directly on your collections. Think of it as a way to manipulate and analyze your data without having to pull everything into your application code. The key concept here is that it processes documents through a multi-stage pipeline, which means data goes through a series of transformations to get the results you need. Let's break down the pipeline concept. Imagine a flow where your MongoDB collection documents enter as input, then these documents go through a processing stage with multiple steps where transformations happen, and finally you get transformed results as output. The data flows sequentially through each stage, allowing you to shape and analyze your data in a structured way. Now let's look at the basic syntax for using the aggregation framework. You use the command db.collection.aggregate. Inside the aggregate function, you define an array of stages. Each stage represents a specific operation you want to perform, like filtering, grouping, or transforming your data. These pipeline stages are processed in the order they appear in the array. Here are some common pipeline stages you'll use frequently. First, there is $match. This stage is used to filter documents based on specified criteria. Only the documents that match the criteria will pass through to the next stage. Second, there is $project. This stage is used to select specific fields from the documents and also transform them. You can add new fields, rename existing ones, or even create computed fields. Third, there is $group. This stage is used to group documents based on a field and perform aggregation operations on each group, such as calculating sums, averages, or counts. Fourth, there is $sort. This stage is used to sort the documents based on one or more fields in ascending or descending order. Let's see an example of the $match stage. Here we're using db.users.aggregate with the $match stage to filter users. The filter criteria are age greater than or equal to 18, represented as $GD:18, and status equal to active. This will return only the users who are 18 years or older and have an active status. Now let's look at the $project stage. Here we're using db.users.aggregate with the $project stage to select specific fields from the user documents. We are including the name and email fields by setting their values to 1, and excluding the _ID field by setting it to 0. This will return documents with only the name and email fields. Let's explore the $group stage with an example. Here we're using db.orders.aggregate with the $group stage to group orders by category. For each category, we are calculating the total sales by summing the amount field, represented as $sum:$amount, and the count by summing 1 for each order in the category. This allows us to see the total sales and the number of orders for each category. Let's combine multiple stages in a single pipeline. Here we're using db.sales.aggregate with 3 stages. First, we use $match to filter sales data for the year 2024. Second, we use $group to group the filtered sales data by region and calculate the total sales amount for each region. Third, we use $sort to sort the results by total sales in descending order, represented by -1. This pipeline effectively filters, groups, and sorts sales data by region for the year 2024. Finally, let's highlight the key benefits of using the aggregation framework. Firstly, it allows for server-side processing, which enables efficient data processing at the database level. Secondly, it provides pipeline flexibility, allowing you to chain multiple operations seamlessly. Thirdly, it enables complex analytics, supporting advanced data transformations and insights. Fourthly, it offers improved performance with optimized queries and indexing support. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.